Hi guys and welcome back to BNA Wood Carvings. Today I'm going to carve Goku from the anime show Dragon Ball Z. Here is a huge block of wood. It's about 6.5 inches. Yeah, it's pretty tall compared to my first project Loy. So let's see how it goes. I just found a picture online, took a printout and stuck it on the front and back. So that'll give me a clear idea of what size I'm dealing with. Here I have chipped off most of the excess wood from the side cutout, and there is a little bit left in between the hands that I will take out in some time. Otherwise, this is the cutout. Now here I've taken a pencil and I drew the side profile. You can see there's a huge gap there. So there's still a lot of wood to be chipped off behind the back and the back of the legs and so on. Now the picture I've stuck on, Goku's wearing the entire costume. I'm going to try and take his shirt off so his upper body is visible. On a funny note, for people who don't have the expensive tools to carve with, the knife that I'm currently using is actually a kitchen knife that I stole from my own kitchen, and I just sliced it off to a shape that I like, and it's working pretty well as of now. Anyway, I've ordered a new knife. It's gonna arrive pretty soon. That's gonna be a very good knife. I think it's the Beaver Craft. It's coming from UK. So it's taking a long time to be delivered. But it will be here anytime soon. Till then, I'm gonna use this kitchen knife and the other knives that I have. You know, the best way to get all this excess wood off is to use a scroll saw. At this point in time, I do not have a scroll saw, but the knife does the job as well, just that it takes a little longer. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Keep watching. I'll see you in the end. So guys, here it is. This is what I was talking about, the size of this piece. If you look at the scale behind, Zloy was around 4.5 inches, whereas this Goku is around 6.5 inches, so he's pretty huge. And this time around I've used gesso on the wood, so it will keep the wood long lasting and it'll be easier to paint as well, so the wood does not soak up the paint. I will be applying approximately 3 coats of gesso, and in between that I'll be sanding it to give it a fine finish, and then finally applying the paint. So here it is guys, Goku is finally ready. Here for the shoes I've used an actual thread, a thick one, and I've varnished it so it stays in place and also gives it a realistic look. Hope you guys like it, and do subscribe so you don't miss future content. Like and share too, and you guys have a good one. See you in the next video soon.